Hello guys, another product review. This time it is smart LED bedside lamp. The model is Q103 and the brand is AFEXOA. This I purchased from the Amazon, and this is a cute small bedside lamp which has very nice features which I'm going to go over. I have not yet opened the box, but one of the thing is basically this is 3-in-1 kind of a this can be controlled, or the light can be controlled using the Alexa voice service, or it can be controlled using the app, or, and the best part is this part, this is a gesture control lamp. What that means is basically you just wave your hand and you can either dim or increase the brightness of the light, or you could switch off the light of this lamp. This is a very cute lamp, and let's open the box and see that what exactly inside the inside this one, and then I will go over the reviews, go over the features, not reviews, go over the feature of this lamp. So as usual, inside the box there is a smart LED bedside lamp, some small manual which shows that there are only 4 buttons on this lamp, which button what is each button represents. The first one is the color mode light, second one is the RGB mode light, third one is the light mode, and fourth one is the night light. And this is powered by the DC connector. So for that you have the cute looking DC power adapter. The good thing about this power adapter is it is a multi-voltage. It's 100 to 240 volts and 50 to 60 hertz. And since this is a multi-voltage, this lamp could be used or can be given as a gift all over the world. Means anywhere you can, if you are going somewhere and if you have to present or give it to someone, then you can present. This can act as a good present for anyone. Now inside, what else is there? Of course, very nicely packed light. It is kind of a dome shape lamp, and it's very lightweight. That is what my first impression is. And but even though it is a lightweight, it is kind of a sturdy. And look, means on the table it looks kind of a dome, transparent dome, and we will see that how once it lights up, how it is going to show. And this is what I was showing. There are 4 buttons, but even though when I'm calling it buttons, these are kind of a touch shape. There is no as such the press button. If I show you, there is nothing you have to press it, just it is a touch kind of thing. So if you touch here, then this first button will act as a color mode. Second button will you can change the color. It is a RGB mode light, and because of the RGB mode, 7 RGB modes are set up in this one, which converts to the 16 million colors. So based on your mood or type of mood, you could change the colors. Then third one is the white mode. There are 3 color temperatures for this particular light: 6000K, 4000K, and 2000K. And of course, this could act as a night light also if you just press once. And for each button or each switch, you have to just press once and it will activate. Now, as I mentioned, it is gesture control also, and for that you have to just wave your hand like this, and you can control the light. So yeah, so without further ado, let's plug this in to the power and select or check how exactly it looks once it lights up. One more thing before I plug in this to the DC connector. The manual shows each and every part very nicely. A very cute looking 2 pages manual, which shows that this particular area is the sensor switch. That means this is the sensor switch. and the sensor switch will allow you to control the light on off by waving your hand in parallel with the range of 0 to 15 centimeter on top, or you can gradually adjust the brightness by keeping your hand with the range of 0 to 15 centimeter on top of the double PC cover. So just waving the hand, you could switch on or switch off, and by keeping the hand, you will be able to control the brightness of the light. Then DC connector, there is a on the back side, you have to connect the power cord to this one. So this is a DC control light, and the four buttons which I switch buttons which I mentioned earlier, those we already covered earlier. Those are these four buttons, and then there are different manual control modes and how to control it. Those options, how to use this, is also given in this cute looking manual. And of course, as I mentioned earlier, you could this is app this lamp can be controlled using the app. So you have to just download the app by scanning this QR code and registered your lamp to the app, and that will allow you to control this lamp using the app. So there are three ways of controlling this one. Alexa voice service, that is just say switch on, switch off, and so on. You'll be able to control that way. Then second one is the gesture control, and the third one is the app control. So let me plug in, and we will see the actual performance of the light. So I plugged on the light to the power, and let's switch on the light by just waving the hand to see that whether it gets on or not. And as you see that it's very bright looking light. Because of the external light, you won't be able to figure it out on the camera in the video, but it is very very bright, means you could read it very nicely, and that's what the whole purpose of this light, bedside lamp. So you could use it as a lamp for reading, or you could just increase or decrease the brightness when you go to bed. So for example, if you want to decrease the brightness, you have to just wave the hand, press the close the sensor, and it will reduce the brightness. If I do like this again, it will increase the brightness, and so on. So yeah, it's pretty good. And then of course you could change the mood of the light. And one thing which I forgot to mention earlier, it is you could set the light dim light from 0% dim light to 0% in 5 to 120 minutes with customizable time via app. And then you could set up the light to wake mode, in which the light will automatically or gradually the brightness of the light will increase between 5 to 120 minutes. So imagine that in the morning time, if you set up in that mode, automatically the light will lit, and from 5 to 120 minutes it will go to the full brightness, just like the sunrise is happening in your bedroom. Or other way around, before the sleep, from 5 to 120 minutes it will go to the dim mode, and so on. So yeah, there are a lot of many features are there. And as I mentioned earlier, this if you have to just control it using the manual control, you just press it, and this acts as a LED. I don't know whether you could see it on the it could act as a night lamp. If you see, there are some yellow lights are there, so this is acting as a night lamp. Let me switch off the light and show you that how exactly it looks in the night time. And as you see, it is acting very nicely as a night lamp. Then the second mode is this, the white mode, which I mentioned, the second button. So this is the white mode. The second number button from the right, from the left is color. So you could change the color. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and so on, right? So these are the 7 different modes. And of course, from the app you could convert this 7 RGB mode to 16 million colors, whatever the one which you want. And colorful mode light can be achieved by pressing the first button. So this is the colorful mode light. So in this mode, the light will automatically goes into the different modes and it will change the color. Very nice feature. So I'm going to switch off the light, external light, and I will start from I will keep this mode running, then I will go to the white mode, then I will go to the RGB mode, and then finally to the dim light. That is the night lamp. Just to give you an idea that how good this light is. And as you see, this color is changing very nicely, and it is random colors. There is no as such there is any pattern is there. It just brings a very nice mood to the interior of the house. Not necessarily that you could use it in the bedroom or bedside lamp, but you could use it anywhere, which will allow you to get different colors. Then the second one which I mentioned is the this one. It is going through the different colors. And so on. And then the one which I mentioned is this is the night lamp. And look at the night lamp. Even for the night lamp also, the color is very nice. So overall, yes, very nice dome-like light can be used, and the best part is that it's not that costly. Available on Amazon. I will put the URL for this light in the description below, so that you can browse through the Amazon website. Thanks for watching.